Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see a admission notification from an international university. So it is National University of Singapore. It is a first rank holding university in Asia. So they are having 17 different faculties and then offering UG programs and then double degree programs and then MS by research and then PhD. So those who are willing to apply for a NSU, they can find the application link in the description box. Hereby I will be attaching it. So those who are willing to get a IV diploma, they can apply before this before ending the February, like means 28th of February. So those who are willing to apply for the UG courses, they can apply before 31st of March. And here the minimum eligibility criteria is though they have to complete the 12th standard, so that is must needed. So for more details you can check in the link, university link. I will give the link in the description box. To get more admission notifications in national international stuffs, you can subscribe to our channel and then you can share the link to others, your friends, those who are trying to get admission in the national and international important institutions. Thank you.